Throughout history, we have had a few remarkable individuals who have left a legacy so powerful, peaceful, and so universally admired as Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also lovingly known as Mahatma Gandhi. His beginnings were quite humble, but he became a part of the great fight for truth and justice. He taught the world that it was not necessary that change must just be brought by force, but it could also be brought by silence and unwavering conviction. In this short tribute by New Era High School Panchgani on his birth anniversary, we just not hear his story, but speak of the great world leaders who spoke of him not just as a politician, but as a symbol for peace and harmony. We speak of a man who changed the course of history without even raising his voice. We speak of our dear Bapu.
A former US president says Mahatma Gandhi's principles of non-violence and truth are guiding lights for mankind and will remain so for generations to come.
Romain Rolland, the French revolutionary and philosopher, he said Gandhi is the most moral man of the century. He was the earliest followers of Gandhi and spreaded his message abroad.
United Nations stated that the life and leadership of Mahatma Gandhi has had a profound and lasting impact on the international communities. They also declared that October 2nd will be known as International Day of Nonviolence.
The former President of the United States, John F. Kennedy, said, Mahatma Gandhi belongs to the ages. He will continue to inspire people in the path of peace and non-violence.
Nelson Mandela, the former president of South Africa, said about Gandhi that India was the Mahatma's country of birth and South Africa was the country of his adoption. He was both an Indian and a South African citizen. Gandhi's philosophy has contributed in no small manner the liberation of the continent's people and the dignity of its people.
Martin Luther King Jr. said, Christ gave us goals and Mahatma Gandhi the tactics.
David Ben-Gurion, the founding Prime Minister of Israel, says, Gandhi shows us that a man with no arms and no army could challenge the might of an empire and win.
Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple, says, Mahatma Gandhi is my choice for the century because he is the person who showed us the way out of human destruction and the nature of human.
Barack Obama, the former President of United States, said that I am greatly inspired by the teachings and life of Mahatma Gandhi. He is a hero not just to India but to the whole world.
Jomo Kenyatta, the first President of Kenya, says Gandhi's struggle inspired the African nations to believe in the power of unity, courage, and moral peace.
New Era High School, based on Baha'i principle, strongly aligns with the ideals of Mahatma Gandhi, especially truth and non-violence. Baha'u'llah says, O people of the world, compose your differences and shed not the blood of your fellow men.
Baha'u'llah encourages to have unity and peace by saying, let your vision be world-embracing rather than be confined to your own self.
The great being said, the tongue is for mentioning what is good. Defile it not with evil speech. God hath forgiven what is past. Henceforward, everyone should speak of that which is worthy, shun untruthfulness and idleness.
As we conclude to this special tribute and carry the strength of Gandhian values and wisdom of the great leaders whose words continue to inspire humanity,
may their messages of truth, non-violence and compassion gives us the light that guides us towards just, peaceful and united world.
Wishing you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti.